Hi, welcome back. Today we are redoing the Kawaii face teacup. These are the materials I used. So first, started off going on to Creative Fabrica to look for my design. Typed in Kawaii face in the search bar. Found one I liked, download, extract from the zip file, and this time we are using Microsoft Edge HTML document so that we can incorporate the colors. Upload to Cricut Design Space. I cleaned my mug with rub and alcohol and measured how wide I wanted the Kawaii face. Here I am deleting the faces that I don't need and resizing the one that I actually chose. Sending that to cut, and I actually forgot to change my dial to vinyl and it was placed on cardstock, so you'll see the result of that after. I rearranged the pieces of the face in a way that it will take the least amount of material possible. Send the design to cut, and this is how it turned out because I didn't change my dial to vinyl and it stayed on cardstock, but it still worked. I tried the layering method where I placed the iris, then the eye. Same for the mouth, I placed the tongue, then the smile. Measure as I go to the cup, making sure that everything is distanced appropriately. Then found exactly where I wanted the face to be placed. To ensure that it laid properly, I took my scissors and cut the transfer tape so that I was able to easily and properly place the face onto the mug right at the curved angle. Just making sure everything goes down smooth. Taking extra precautions, making sure there's no bubbles and everything was laying flat on the cup. And then I removed the transfer tape. And there you have it. Attempt number 2. This time I am actually happy with the result. I will give this one a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Tag me if you try it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.